What is up, YouTube? Super excited for today. Welcome to this episode of Angels Travel and Ravel. So in this episode, we are actually going to talk about flat top griddling. Okay, so I actually just got a 36-inch BlackStone Griddle, and I'm really excited to unbox it, hook it up, start seasoning it, show you guys the whole time lapse how the whole thing works. So it's really coming out of nowhere, as it's not what we usually do here. We usually do the Jeep videos, and then obviously we travel to all different hotels and give you guys a review. But it's summertime, it's Memorial Day weekend, we got the backyard, opening up the backyard, opening up the pool, got this new grill, really want to show you guys. So come with me, let's build it, let's set it up. We also got a couple cool accessories for it. So we have a BlackStone 36-inch griddle cover. So that's pretty cool. We have the basting cover. That's when you're kind of making burgers and you want to melt some cheese, you just put that right over. Looking forward to using that. And then of course we have our professional grade cooking set. You cannot buy the BlackStone griddle without this set. Highly recommended. Comes right from BlackStone. This is definitely a must-have. So looking forward to using all these accessories. Alright, so let's just quickly go over all the items that's in the box. So we have our handles, we have a grease trap, a couple other pieces here, holder for the propane gas tank, little handlebar here. We got the main body here, the grill. We've got two shelves, and then of course the actual griddle surface.